comes as a surprise.
The government of Manitoba is putting MPI under the microscope, and one taxpayers advocacy group says it's positive MPI is going for an inspection before it hits a complete breakdown. But the Crown Corporation's CEO and president says there's no reason for members of the public to lose faith in MPI. Eric Herbelin says the provincial insurance provider is confident it can continue to deliver as it goes through a massive change.
We've embarked on the largest transformation ever in the history of MPI, modernizing our technology and also further strengthening our business capabilities. And that is something that is unprecedented, requires a lot of effort and work from all our people. And I'm pleased to say that we are on track with all these efforts, and we are actually very confident in our ability to deliver on the day-to-day, but also on the transformation ahead.
The MPI CEO says the review came as news for him and other members of the executive and said it's unclear exactly what the government wants MPI to shine a light on, but says they are ready to cooperate.
We've been working very collaboratively and transparently with government on a day-to-day basis, and we will continue to do so and certainly provide all the facts and transparency that is being requested from us.
Justice Minister and the Minister responsible for MPI, Kelvin Gertsen, announced the review Monday, saying it's needed to ensure affordability, reliability, and quality customer service from the provincial insurer, who in the third quarter of 2022 recorded a net loss of $19.5 million. Manitobans are also paying more for insurance, an increase of roughly 1.54% as of April. Quote, as I've stated in the past, the Manitoba government is reluctant to interfere in the general operations of Crown corporations. However, a publicly held corporation is answerable to Manitobans for its service, expenditures, and operations. On Tuesday, City News reached out to several members of the MPI Board of Directors for comment on the review, including Chair Mike Sullivan, a working dentist in Portage-la Prairie, but a response was not received by broadcast deadline.
When you're driving and you see a little bit of oil leaking out the bottom of your car, the smart thing to do is get it checked out right away and not wait until your engine seizes up on the highway. Gage
Hobrick is the Prairie Director with the Canadian Taxpayers Federation, and he says things like rising staffing costs should be one of the first things examined, saying government can't look to taxpayers when the review is done and next steps and potential solutions are determined.
Basically, at the end of the day, this problem seems to be a financial mismanagement issue, and shoveling more money to fuel that fire won't help. It needs to be done from the top down.
Until the review is complete, Gertsen says MPI has been directed to not propose any changes to rates for service or materially change its operations, with the deadline for the review set for December 31st. In Winnipeg, Morgan Majeski, City News.